2. Okay, we did one sum. Remaining sums we'll solve it today. Okay, children. Before we start, we'll start with a short prayer. Okay. Asatoma Sadgamaya, Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya, Vrityoma Amritam Gamaya. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Okay, we are solving the exercise number 1.2. Yes, now children, we are solving exercise number 1.2. We'll move on to the next problem. Exercise number 1.2. First one we solved. We'll move on to the second problem. Shekhar is a famous cricket player. He has so far scored 6,980 runs in the test matches. He wishes to complete 10,000 runs. How many more runs does he need? How many runs he need? Huh? How many runs he need? What we have to do here? Yes? What we have to do, children? We have to be given a famous cricket player. Okay? Shekhar scored runs in test matches is equals to how many? 6980. Okay? He wishes to complete 10,000. He wishes to complete 10,000 runs. So how many more number of runs he want to complete? Okay, ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ ಶೇಖರ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಚಸ್ ಆಟಾಡತ್ತಿದ್ದ ಅವಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ ಅವಂಗ 6,980 ರನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ಅರೌಂಡ್ ವಿಶ್ ಏನಿತ್ತ he want to complete 10,000. So how many remaining runs he want to complete 10,000? We have to find out that. So what we have to do, we have to just minus 10,000 with 6,980. Okay, minus it 10,000. Okay, in the rougher side what you have to do, children, in your book you have to make a one side, the last in the page, this is your page. Okay, this is your page. In the left side you have to make a one line here. This will be rough use. Okay, you have to make a column here. What all rougher things means, what all calculation part or any adjmas ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತಿಲ್ಲ mistake ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನೀವು, and answers you can write it here. Okay, you have to follow this 600 students. What I am telling, do that. Okay, we have to calculate that. 10,000 minus 6,980. 0. 10 minus 8 will be 2. 9 minus 9 will be 0. 0. 9 minus 6 will be how much? 9 minus 6 will be how much? 3. Yes, he got 3,020 runs. So, the Shekhar wants 3020 runs to complete 10,000. Okay, you want that many runs. Okay, copy this, children. Rougher side you have to make for every problem. Whenever you are solving word problems, you have to make that rough side. Okay, small column you have to make that side, end of the page. Okay, for your calculation sake. Okay, the next problem, third problem. Write down the third problem. Third problem. In an election, the successful candidate registered 5,77,500 votes and his nearest rival secured 3,48,700 votes. By what margin did the successful candidate win the election? ಎಷ್ಟು ಅವರಿಗೆ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಅವರಿಬ್ಬರದ ಕ್ಯಾಂಡಿಡೇಟ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಕ್ಯಾಂಡಿಡೇಟ್ ಒನ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ, ಕ್ಯಾಂಡಿಡೇಟ್ ಒಬ್ಬರ ಅದನ, ಕ್ಯಾಂಡಿಡೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ಅವಂಗ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆಷ್ಟು 5,77,500 ಸಿಕ್ತ. ಆದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ನಿಗೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೇಕಿತ್ತ ವಿನ್ ಆಗಾಕ? 3,48,700 he want. Okay, so 3 lakh, yes, 3,48,700 votes. By what margin did the successful candidate win the election? ಎಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಿಕ್ಕ್ರ ವಿನ್ ಆಗ್ತಾನ ಹಂಗಿದ್ರ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಿಕ್ಕ್ರ ಅವಂಗ ವಿನ್ ಆಗ್ತಾನವ ಇನ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ the candidate registered votes. Okay, and secured okay, so the margin successful candidate win election is equals to what we have to do, we have to minus 5,77,500 okay minus 3,48,700 okay. So what we have to do here, rougher side, make a rougher side and do this calculation. 5,77,500 minus 3,48,700 minus it. How much we get? We get 0, 0, 15 or 7 tagadra 2, 8. Okay. 16 or 8 tagadra again 8. Okay. 2 and 2. Yes. He want margin amount will be margin votes will be 2,28,800. The margin votes will be 2,28,800. Okay. Third problem. Copy it, children. Now election again madida antandra, in the election the candidate registered the votes 5,77,500 okay, and his nearest revealed secured will be how much? 3,48,700. so ಇವು ಅವನಿಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿದ್ದೆಷ್ಟು 5,77,500 but how much he got? 3,48,700. so how many remaining votes he want? 2,28,800 votes ಬೇಕು ಅವನಿಗೆ to win the election, okay. Eshta ant kelidag, how much he needs andaga we have to calculate. When he tells to find out the total, we have to do the addition. Okay, the difference understood? The fourth problem now. Write down the fourth problem. Fourth problem. Kirti Bookstore sold books worth 2,85,891 in the first week of the June and book worth rupees 4,768 in the second week of the month. How much was the sale for the both the weeks together? In which week was the sale greater than and how much? ಅವ ಏನು ಮಾಡತಾನ, ಕೀರ್ತಿ ಬುಕ್ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡತಾನ, ಬುಕ್ ಸೇಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ಯಾವಾಗ? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವೀಕ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಸೇಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ಅವ. ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ಹಿ ಸೇಲ್? sold 2,85,988.91 ಗೆ ಸೇಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ. ಇನ್ ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವೀಕ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಾಡಿದ? 4,768. then how much he said he got together? ಎರಡನ್ನೂ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. how much ಅಂದ together ಅಂದ, so we have to add. okay, after that they are asking which is the greater, we have to find out that. okay, we'll write it. Kirti Bookstore in the first week of June is equals to 2,85,891 891, and in the second week he sold rupees 4,768. In the second week he sold 4,768. Okay. Then how much was the sale for the together? Then the together both the weeks is equals to, what we have to do? We have to find out rupees 2,85,891 plus rupees 4,768. We have to add these two. Rougher side. Now use again rough side. Rougher side. Add these two, children. You only add these two now. I will write the answers. Okay. Add these two. We get how much? We get 6,86,659 we get what? Rupees together. ಎರಡು ವೀಕ್ ಸೇರಿಸಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಿಕ್ತೈತೆ ಅವಂಗ 6,86,659 ಸಿಕ್ತೈತಿ. ಹಂಗಾರ ಇವೆರಡರೊಳಗ ಯಾವ್ದು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ, ಯಾವ ವೀಕ್ನಾಗ ಅವ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಸೇಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ? ಇನ್ ದ week second he sold the week second he sold more. Okay, in the second week he sold more because he sold 4 lakh. There in the first week he sold only 2 lakh. Okay, the difference understood. 2 lakh difference he sold. Okay, now fifth one. Copy this one, children. Copy this one. Step by step you have to copy neatly. We'll move on to the next one. Fifth problem. Next problem. Fifth one. Okay. Find the difference between the greatest and the least 5-digit numbers that can be written using the digits 62743. 62743. They given a digits, different digit. We have to find out the greatest 5-digit number and the smallest 5-digit number. So the greatest 5-digit number is equals to 76432. Okay, the smallest 5-digit number is equal to 23467. Okay, now they are telling, after knowing the smallest and the greatest, they are telling to find out the difference between them. The difference between smallest and the greatest number is equals to we have to do the minus. 76432 minus 23467. Okay, we have to do the I'm doing here rougher side. Minus it, children. How much we get? We get, after minusing, we get 53965. Okay, 56965 we get. Okay, understood now how to solve those problems? Okay, they are asking that form. They given a one digit. Okay, and now one 5-digit numbers they given. They are telling to find out the greatest 5 digit, and they are telling to find out the smallest 5-digit number. So we have to find out the smallest and the greatest number. After finding the smallest and greatest, they are telling to find out the difference between that two numbers. They are telling to find out the difference between that two number. We have to find out that. We have to find out that, and then we have to find out the answer. We got how much? 53,965 we got. Yes, we got that much number. So the next, is it interesting children, these word problems? Yes, only we are doing the addition and the subtraction we are doing, not further actions we are doing. When we go to the next problem, we start with the multiplication and division. Okay, today what you have to do children, you have to just write these all problems in your classwork. You have to complete these all problems till what we did till 5th we completed. Yes, till 5th we completed. Complete this in your classwork neatly, and I want rougher side. I told you, in the side of your page I want rough side, rough column. In that you have to do the calculation part, what all the addition and subtraction roughly. You do it there. Don't scribble in your page. The whole paper will be the dirt. So you have make a column there, and what all calculation part is there, do it there and write neatly. Don't scribble it. If you are not confident in writing, please use pencil only. The best way is using pencil only. You can erase it and again you can do it. Okay? So do that children. And today's homework is, you have to try the 10th, 11th and 12th problem. Exercise number 1.2, 10, 11 and 12 problem. These three problems you have to try it in a homework book. In which book? Homework book. Try it and complete it. And send me the photos. Okay children? We'll solve the next problems in the next class. See you tomorrow. Bye children.